Imagine the heart as a house, and the electricity flowing through it as the occupants. Sometimes those occupants can get unruly, causing chaos. This is what happens during an irregular heartbeat or arrhythmia. But there's a way to restore order: cardioversion. In a nutshell, cardioversion is like hitting the reset button on the heart's electrical system. It's a medical procedure that uses electricity to return an irregular heartbeat back to a normal rhythm. First, a short-acting anesthesia is administered to ensure comfort. Then, an electrical shock is delivered to the heart through electrodes placed on the chest. This shock briefly stops the heart and allows it to restart with a regular rhythm. Though it might sound scary, cardioversion is generally safe and can be life-saving. It's a shining example of how modern medicine can literally reboot your heart, bringing calm back to the chaos. Until next time, keep your heart in rhythm and your mind curious. Remember, this information is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider.